Sparky, don't run away. Ugh, he's camera shy again. I don't get Christmas presents. I don't get them because as my grandma said that I'm not a good boy. Don't tell my mom that I've lost my pills. Today's May Day. Yay, May Day. Here I go. Let's run. Happy May Day. He threw the basket at my face. He threw the darn basket at... I'm gonna ding-dong ditch Kevin's house. Take that, Kevin. That's what you get for throwing a May basket at me, you jerk. Okay, well, here are what I'm talking about. I have a condition where I need to take pills to activate like a normal human. Oh my god, look at this. I just realized that right behind me in my neighbor's yard, there's a dog kennel. You know how inhumane that is, locking your dogs in frickin' gates. How would you feel if I locked you in between gates and watched you from above laughing evil? I need medication, I need medication, I need medication, I need medication. But the good side is Santa will still give me something. And all my cousins will get coal. One year I got coal because my mom, was really mad at her, so I hit her in the head with a golf club. And I got coal that year. Oh my god, look at this kitty. She doesn't want to be discovered by me. Look at her run. Oh, it's a stray kitty with lice. Also, it bit one of the other kids in my neighborhood and gave him rabies. Oh my god, she just bit me. She just bit me and I'm foaming from the mouth. I didn't get it on videotape, but Judy's put the panties on my head. She's so mean. Yet so attractive. Whatever, I guess I'll give him back to my mom.